In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check the RAM on your Lenovo laptop. Whether you're checking your system specs before installing new software, upgrading your laptop, or you're just curious about how much memory your device actually has. This simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know in a clear and easy way. First, make sure your Lenovo laptop is turned on and you're on the Windows desktop. Once you're there, move your mouse to the desktop or open File Explorer and look for the option called This PC. When you see it, right-click on this PC to open a small menu. From that menu, click on Properties. Make sure you follow along carefully so you don't miss any details, because this section shows important information about your system. Next, after clicking on Properties, a new window will open that displays your laptop's basic system information. Here, you'll see details like your Windows version, processor, and most importantly, your installed RAM. Look for the line that says Installed RAM, and right next to it, you'll see the exact amount of memory your Lenovo laptop has. This helps you understand how well your laptop can handle multitasking and demanding applications. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're logged into an administrator account, ensure your system is fully loaded, and avoid using third-party tools unless necessary. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary confusion or errors. Once you've checked the RAM, you can decide what to do next. After that, you should be able to plan software installations, system upgrades, or performance tweaks without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to note this information somewhere safe, especially if you're planning to upgrade your laptop in the future. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and helps you make smarter decisions. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to check the RAM on your Lenovo laptop easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?